All right guys, there it is. That's how I've been installing my lawns. Unless we're doing hydroseed, that's how I hand seed. I use about the recommended amount of seed in the spreader, and I go over it once, and then I cut it down to about the recommended amount and go over it in a second direction, just to make sure you get good even coverage. And then I take the rake, as you saw, and just drag the back of it along the ground. That helps make have the seed make soil contact, gets it under the surface for the most part. And when I first started doing lawn installs years ago, I used to use a roller afterwards. I found it wasn't hurting anything, but it wasn't really helping anything. I got the same results doing it this way. I mean, my last, I'm gonna say 35, 40 lawn installs, this is the way I've done it, and I get great results. So I'll go ahead and update on the channel once the grass comes in and show you how it looks. I just got a couple little piles of what I call bones, just kind of some sticks and rocks over there, over here, and over here. We'll throw those in the Bobcat bucket, load up the Bobcat, and get out of here. The only other thing I want to mention is starter fertilizer. A lot of people put starter fertilizer at the same time they seed. I don't. The first week or so of the seed germinating, the shell of the seed has the nutrients it needs to germinate. So it's kind of falls off the tail end of the germination period. So what I like to do is come back in about a week, right about when the grass is starting to poke, and that's when I hit it with the starter fertilizer, and that really shoots it up quick. So that's how I do it. Like I said, I'll give it a couple of weeks, see how it comes in. Hopefully we get no torrential rains in the meanwhile that wash it out. I think we'll be all right. And we'll go ahead and have an update video to show you how it looks. All right, have a good one, guys.